Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. So today we have some important talk and it is about Australia's Visa 400. So let's discuss in detail. So we start with the question, that is, what is Visa 400 in Australia? Broadcasts are performed in Australia including theatre, film, music, concerts, etc. can apply for the temporary activity visa. The temporary work short stay specialist visa subclass 400 is a temporary visa for short-term highly specialized non-going work in Australia. What is the difference between 400 and 482 visa? A subclass 400 visa allows entry for a non-ongoing stay period for a maximum of 6 months. A subclass 482 visa would allow entry in Australia for an ongoing period of at least 2 years to 4 years. Then we talk about for how long does a 400 visa last. We can grant this visa for about 6 months depending on the circumstances. Generally, for a stay period longer than 3 months, a strong business case must be provided with the application. Also, can I extend my 400 visa in Australia? Well, subclass 400 visa is a short-term visa which is valid only for 3 months but can be extended for 6 months depending how compelling and strong it is. Once granted, there is no provision for DIBP to extend a 400 visa in any circumstances. And is there an age limit for the 400 visa in Australia? Well, there is no age limit for this visa. However, the applicant must be outside Australia to apply and the application should be lodged online. Here we come with the basic question, which is what is the meaning of 400 visa? Well, basically a subclass 400 visa is a visa that is designed for people who need to come to Australia for specialized short-term work. And you normally need to be invited by a business or an organization. So here we come to an end with our discussion, but we will keep filling in with more videos for you guys. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.